guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, medyo weird to kasi ngayon nandito kami sa Sapporo, Japan. And ine-edit ko kasi to ngayon, itong papanoorin nyo na vlog. Na-realize ko na wala pala akong intro na nagawa. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit, hinanap ko talaga yun. Tapos bigla ko naalala, parang may nagawa ba akong intro? Tapos parang wala. So ngayon, nandito na ako ngayon. Nagsasabi sa inyo na, hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kaya ako ito pinangalan ng UK vlog kasi pumunta kaming England, London, tsaka Scotland. Bali, pinag-isang vlog ko na lang talaga siya. And sorry, sobrang late ko na talaga siya na-upload. December 26 pa ata to hanggang Jan. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya na-upload kasi sobrang haba niya talaga. Tapos parang nagka-crash yung laptop ko. Kaya hindi ko siya na-edit ng maayos. Nauna kong i-edit yung iba. Sorry, super late upload talaga to. Pero naisip ko talaga sayang naman kung hindi ko upload. So, eto na. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung vlog namin sa UK. Love, love. So cute! What's your name?
Ziv.
Ziv. Now you're shy? Yeah. Shy! Hello!
Subscribe!
Subscribe! Yan guys, sabi dito, 100 strong people. Yung makaka-move lang ng stone na to. Challenge accepted, man. Wait.
Help me!
Are you help?
Hindi nga.
Nothing happened.
Help them. Diyos ko, Lord. Can I be the camera?
Okay, good.
Hello. Subscribe and like.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Stonehenge. Saan ng Stonehenge kasi parang dito nakatira yung mga prehistoric people. So ayun, makikita natin kung gaano kagaling yung architectural designs nila ng unang panahon pa. We're here! Here! Almost there. So ito na guys, yung famous Stonehenge. So ayan. Mga caveman daw yung gumawa yun. So super bigat ng stones. Kaya hindi ko alam paano nila nagawa. Ngayon, nag-picture na lang kami. Nanginginig yung labi ko. Ang hangin. Who are you calling?
I'm calling the police.
What?
FBI, open up. Go,
Kalu. Oy.
Bomba. Kaya today.
Hey guys! So, umalis na pala kami sa Stonehenge and ngayon, nandito kami sa Roman Bath. So, wala pa siya actually. Lakad pa lang kami papunta doon. And, ewan ko kung anong meron doon. But, yeah, let's see. Super lawak. Guys, tignan mo. Parang kami lang tao. Saya. Ito na siya.
Ganda katira mga Roman.
Holding hands lang.
Buti pa sila forever. Ikaw.
So guys, ayun, nakapasok na kami dito sa Roman Bath. So, sorry. Actually, it is parang preserved. Popular siya for public bathing. $1897 daw nung inopen for public tong Roman Bath. So, actually hot spring siya. Yan guys, kung nakikita nyo yan, ito, yung mga statue na yan, yung mga Roman governors and emperors. Na-connected din siyempre sa Britain. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Akala ko malaking sapatos. Libingan pala. Yung cremation box nila. Yung cremation. Grabe. Makikita mo talaga yung usok. Ang hot spring. Yan, ang sarap siguro maligo na yan. So, here's the famous Roman bath. Oh my God! Sarap magsuko po. Muntik na.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
No, it's not yours.
Oh, welcome to her YouTube channel.
Can you point again?
And welcome to her YouTube channel.
Okay, that one.
And today's topic is all about Roman baths. As you can see, there are Roman baths.
It's not a documentary.
Oh, it's not?
Ah, they're bold.
They're naked.
May spa na sila dati pa. Ito, ang changing room nila. Dito sila nagbibihis. Ang galing. Okay, Portuguese food for tonight. Guys, dinner time. Alright guys, so we are done eating ngayon. Uwi na kami. I am so full. I was looking for you.
Yeah.
Let's go home?
Yeah.
Yeah! Good morning guys! So, ang taray ng ka-outfit natin today, ang baguette. So, ngayon, nandito na kami sa London and maglilibot-libot kami. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero pag nakataas yung flag, ibig sabihin nandiyan yung Queen. But, ayan. Yung mga guards ng Queen. Where are they? Ayun, malayo pa. Grabe yung gate nila. Ang ganda. Ayan pala guys. Nandyan yung flag. Sabihin nandyan yung Queen. Okay guys, ito na yung para. So guys, para daw hindi na kami maglakad, pasakay kami dito. Big Bus London. So, itutour niya kami around London. London with the pimple. Ang pinipimple ako dito, grabe. Siguro sunod-sunod kasi yung travel, tas walang tulog. Ang cute ng taxi nila! There we are!
Okay. I'm gonna go up.
Yay!
Where are you? I don't even know. Oh, yeah.
Yay! Guys, may binigay silang earpiece. Tapos lalagay mo dito. Ayan. Para siguro may audio tour. Yes. Ceremonial guard. Grabe guys, may background music talaga ng pang UK. So, mafe-feel mo talaga yung vibe. Pag nakita mo yung sceneries, tapos naririnig mo pa yung music. Yay! Yun ay London sign! Yay! London sign! Grabe, hindi ko na mukhaan yung Big Ben. Ito na pala yun. Nire-repair daw kasi. So, ganyan. Okay guys, ngayon tapasok na kami sa City Cruises. Ooh! Nice food! Hey! Hey! Gustong-gusto ko yung sakayan. Kaso wala akong kasama.
The people waving back to you, they're on holiday. If they're not waving, they're from London.
London's ugliest building daw
It was
to.
a clever wall, so it's great views everywhere.
Guys, kita niyo yung building na yan. Tapos pag bumili ka ng
A lot
penthouse,
of the power for the train
14
station
million
comes from that
pounds.
solar energy. If you've seen the latest, you've all heard about it. Some of you know a song about this bridge.
London
It
Bridge.
keeps falling down. Now there's been a bridge here for 2,000 years to come up with City Hall.
Guys,
There's a nice picture, folks.
Power
Get a
Bridge.
double-decker bus halfway.
So, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And we have a special announcement to make. We have a daughter. It's a daughter. What's her name? Chevy from Chevrolet. Can you say chocolate? Chocolate. Chocolate. Vlog takeover.
Bye! Cover them!
Everyone here.
Leave it!
Riba, ikaw cover ko na. Everyone here. Riba.
Riba!
Ano ba yun?
Believe it!
Ay, hindi ba? Believe it.
Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Bister Village. Ayan, yung kung makikita nyo. Wait lang, lalayo ko para mas makita. Ito siya guys, so, para siyang mga bahay pag tinignan mo. But, ang totoo niyan, mga stores yan. Hanggang doon sa pinakadulo, as in sobrang layo yung puro stores. So, di ako aware, shopping time pala today. Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita kong nakatago dun sa may halaman? Let's go! Ang haba ng pila. Guys, grabe sunod-sunod. Alexander McQueen, Balenciaga, may Versace doon. Oh my gosh, guys. Dito pala kami sa pinag-shootan ng Harry Potter. Yes. So, actually, dumaan na rin kami sa Oxford kanina. And, ang alam ko, Oxford pa rin to eh. Parang, anong trip kaya ng homeowner na bakit may shark sa bubong? Hey, baby shark, baby shark, So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Baguio. Nandito na tayo sa Scotland. So, ngayon, ang first stop namin dito sa Scotland, monument ni William Wallace. Nakita niyo ba yan? Yan, sa tuktok na yan. So, si William Wallace, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, isa siyang Scottish knight na, isa din siya sa main leaders ng First War of Scottish Independence. So, nabeat nila yung mga English nung naglaban sila sa Stirling Bridge. So, it's a long story. I'll take you guys with me sa trip namin dito sa Scotland. Hey guys, so nandito na nakakit na kami. At ito pa lang, tinatayuan namin ngayon. Parang ito yung advantage point ni William Wallace. Kasi parang syempre, pag tinignan mo dito, ang taas. So from here, pwede niya makita dito yung mga English art. Ito guys, sayang, under renovation siya. Parang Big Ben. Sa mga ibang bansa. Ito na kami sa The Hall of Arms. Guys, tapos na kami sa Hall of Arms. Kaya nakapit ulit kami. Dito na tayo punta. Okay, next floor. Dito kami sa Hall of Heroes.
Sword ni Wallace.
Ay, yung sword ni Wallace.
Ah.
Ang laki! Grabe, ang laki naman ito. Parang yata nabubuhat. Legit. But ayun, nakakahilit kami. So next. Okay guys, ngayon na kami sa The Royal Chamber. Uy, puzzle! May puzzle. Can you build the monument? Tara! Ay, na-build na. Okay, then sa Royal Chamber. Here we go. Grabe. Wow! Ang ganda.
Oh, yeah.
Grabe guys, alam mo yung mahirap dito. Isa lang yung ng bababa at aakyat. So, siksikan talaga. Sobrang sikip na ito. Kaya ba, Dad?
Kaya naman.
Sinasa at kinaya.
Buti ba dito close? Close ng mga tao.
Go! Oh, it's too bright. So guys, dito na kami sa Stirling Castle. I-renovate na naman siya. Ayan. Pag winter daw kasi talaga. Usually, ganyan yung mga situations. Kasi summer, kailangan super okay na yun. Kasi sobrang dami ng tourists pag summer. Hey guys! So, currently, nandito kami sa rest house namin sa Tagaytay. Pinapaayos ko pa yung banyo namin dun, oh. So, medyo magulo. Banyo lang namin siya. Oo. Banyo lang yan. So, normal day lang dito sa Scotland at meron lang namang dalawang malaking kabayo. Napakalaki! Yay, we're back!
Yay!
Finally.
Well,
I will just call you a text.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you much.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Ano kaya natin, ma'am? Ramen?
Hug. Buddy. I wanna hug you.
Kasi pala 3:30. 5:30 mag-open.
Someone to stay.
come on, do it!
Hey, 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 hey.
Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? OMG.
What are you drinking?
Earn brew.
What's that? What's that?
It's only in Scotland.
It's only in Scotland.
Carlson.
Babae mo ba ito ng lalaki?
What's that?
Hanggang hilaw!
Whoa. $3.99 per kilo. Una bang?
Hanggang hilaw nga!
Ma'am? Galing ni Ma'am, oh. Once lang ba nga?
Hey guys! So, it's our second day here in Scotland. Saan tayo, Ma'am? Mami, saan tayo? Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Edinburgh.
Edinburgh. Sa Edinburgh Castle kami. So, it's super cold. -7 degrees dito sa Scotland. At kinakaya pa naman. Mukha na akong Alaskan Malamute.
Yeah, that's what it said, yeah.
We got Granny Springs there.
This is your castle.
Yung castle ko pink.
Castle mo pink? Bakit?
Yung brown eh.
Hindi brown yung castle mo? Hindi yan? Riva, your castle. Is that your castle? Why? Your castle is pink?
Where's your prince? You don't want one? Okay. Ganyan din ako sa una, yung boys ew.
Tapos ngayon?
Sisisihan mo yan, girl.
Bakit? Bang ganda oh. Good. The black one.
Toasted
Doon na maganda.
Parehas kayo, Dad. Sayaw na kayo, Dad. Sayaw na kayo.
Papamayat ka.
Ang papayat. Yes, long-legged.
Basahin mo, lagyan mo doon. Spinner's clothes. Mataba naman.
Parang na nagbago kay Poying. Daddy, you're so cute!
Oh my God, I'm so
Guys, grabe yung presyo ng whiskey na to. 500,000 pesos. Oh my God. Ang laki ng burger. You want that one? Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Goals! Kuya Robert. This is mine. Sayang hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung itsura ng bag, but you'll see it in the vlog.
Sama mo siya ba?
We have a bell bag.
Oh, I thought it's mine.
And let's see if you can handle it.
That is so big! It's really
I
huge.
can actually fit myself in here. Some festival. We have really nice pictures of the new season. Listen, I'm going to start calling you. Absolutely, it's been such a pleasure.
Thank you, Fran.
Bumili ng cake. Yung bus nila. Wala sila for Scotland.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Comment down below.
Let's go, guys.
Comment down below. Ito yung parang mga nakikita ko sa movie. It's creepy. Let's go. What's up, guys? So, ayan, next stop over na kami and we are on our way home back sa Oxford. So, that ends our trip in Scotland. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my social media. It's blurred. Hey, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Cover mo.
Wait!
Cover it. Ah.
No, not that, the lens.
Okay.
Leave